Dreamstime Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Dreamstime is a stock photography platform, but most people get this wrong. They think all stock photo sites charge the same or provide the same quality. The surprising truth is that Dreamstime offers millions of royalty-free images, videos, and illustrations at competitive prices for creatives and businesses. Pricing includes subscription plans starting around per month for 10 images, and on-demand credit packs ranging from $79 to per image depending on size and license type. You won't believe the value included: premium content, exclusive photos, and extended licenses allow commercial use, print, and marketing campaigns without legal hassle. Most people get this wrong by assuming free images suffice. While free resources exist, Dreamstime ensures higher resolution, professional quality, and copyright security critical for businesses and designers who want to avoid legal risks and produce polished work. In conclusion, Dreamstime's pricing reflects access to quality, licensed content. By understanding subscription options, paper image packages, and license types, you go from zero to pro in choosing a stock photo solution that fits your creative and business needs.